Hello, it's Kanchan, and now I will talk about Shopify homepage on-page SEO, and I will show you how to do Shopify homepage on-page SEO. Okay, let's start. First, I have to log in Shopify backend funnel. So this is a very easy process, not complicated. Let's see, and now I will go to. I am in backend funnel, and then online store, then preference. Here is a option to homepage on page SEO. Here you can do title, change the title. Here we can do the change the meta description. That's it. And I have already wrote the title and meta description. Just I will implement it now. So first I copy it and okay, just here is our keyword, targeted keyword, and also you will change the meta description. In meta description I have targeted two keyword. One is main keyword and one is secondary keyword. So to be concerned, when you will change the title, try to write the title within 1 to 50 characters. Okay, and when you will change the meta description, try to write the meta description within 150 to 160 characters. So let's see, and in my title within 41 characters, and my meta description 170 characters. That's it. Now I will save it. Very easy. Just check. Here is one title. Here is one keyword and here is another keyword. So let's save it. Okay. Done. Now I will use this keyword as a H1 tag. First I have to check the H1 tag conditions. So Control U. Here is one H1 tag. Here is one H1 tag. So first and always remember, we can use H1 tag only one time. We can use H1 tag multiple times. We can use H3 tags multiple times. We can use H4 tags multiple times. We can use H5 tags multiple times. We can use six tags in multiple time. But H1 tag only we can use for one time. So here I see H1 tags uses multiple times. So first I have to remove the H1 tags from the brand logo. I see here is H1 tag uses in brand logo. That's mean here. That's mean you can, if you see here, H1 tag and header heading logo. That's mean in logo. So first I have to remove the H1 text from the brand logo. Okay, let's start how to remove it. So I am already here, and online store, then down theme. It is three theme, down theme. Okay, so edit code, then header, this main in header.liquid. Then I have to change it. H1. Here is H1, and here is ending H1. So I will change it just div. This is a Shopify formula. div. Then change the here is one. Then must we save it. So I think it's working, and remove the H1 tag from brand logo. Just reload and Control U. So now H1 tags I only use for one times, and now I have to optimize the title. Here is only one times H1 text. So again I go to the Shopify backend and change the theme. From F here. Then homepage. Edit. Homepage, there is homepage. Just it's okay. This one. Then we can do H2, H3, H4, H5. Okay. Just mean H1 and no here H2. Okay. No. H3. Okay. Then we can use it as a H4. Font size. H4 done. We can use it H5. proceed H6. Okay, H3 no matter, and H2. It looks good. Then publish. Yeah, already done. Publish successfully. We can check again H1 tags. This is our H1 tag, and for SEO ranking, H1 tag is too much important. So I will check again. Control U. Okay, search cell, Control F. Then magnetic glasses, Australia, and fast. There is our H1 tag. Here is, you can see, only one time. So that's it. Very easy. So thank you so much to watch this video.